This is 7 National News, and in our top story, the fast-paced environment nowadays is pushing governments, businesses and organisations worldwide to constantly seek ways of raising performance levels and quality of service. Among these is Dubai Electricity and Water Authority. His Excellency Saeed Mohammed Al Tayyer, the Managing Director and CEO of DEWA, says developing its employees and improving excellence at managerial levels through work group dynamics, innovation and creativity skills is crucial to their growth. He also said that events such as the Innovation and Creativity Forum will promote better performance and complement existing services that will eventually benefit their customers. This, according to him, follows and supports Dubai's strategy for a sustainable development.
Of course, this will improve the performance of our employees, and I think we try to put them in the right environment and try to have a role model of creativity in the organization.
Rowan Gibson, a best-selling author, global business strategist and expert on radical innovation, conducted a 2-hour session that explored the numerous possibilities and benefits of innovation. Gibson said the UAE is already on the right path, but there is still work to be done for the country to continue towards a value-based economy.
Clearly, education is massively important because, the empires of the future will be empires of the mind. It's really not about so much physical assets as much as it used to be. So every government on earth should really be thinking about the brain power of its citizens. And that's why we see some countries leapfrogging others, because they've managed to put a lot of effort into it. What I'd like to get across to people is the fact that innovation is not necessarily about big budgets and big science at all. You can come up with an innovation that has nothing to do with science. It might be a retail innovation or a customer experience innovation or a business model innovation. So what government should be doing is encouraging grassroots innovation, giving people grants and help to develop startups, whatever those startups may be.
The Ministry of Cabinet Affairs at the Prime Minister's Office has announced the launch of the Emirates Government Service Excellence Team, dedicated to improving the quality of government services to citizens. The initiative has been formed by the Emirates Government Service Excellence Programme and is a part of the ongoing efforts made by the government to promote quality and efficiency of government services and excellence. That's according to the Director General of the Prime Minister's Office, Oud Al-Rumi. The team will consist of a variety of experts from a number of ministries and federal entities. And 5 different UAE government authorities are drafting a food labelling law, which will see the strict enforcement of food labels to protect food allergy sufferers. The new public health law is being drafted by the Ministry of Health, the Ministry of Environment and Water, the Health Authority Abu Dhabi, the Abu Dhabi Food Control Authority and the Dubai Health Authority, and is set to be introduced before the end of the year. Officials at the DHA have stated that more details will be added after the introduction of the new law to define the roles of a number of sectors to reduce food allergy cases. The 2 billion dirham Sheikh Khalifa Expressway that links Fujairah and Dubai is set to open in line with the UAE's National Day celebrations, according to officials. According to a local paper, the director of the Fujairah municipality, Mohammed Saif Al-Afkam, stated that the expressway will allow drivers to cover the Dubai-Fujairah distance in 40 minutes, which started construction work back in 2006. The route is an expansion of the Sheikh Ahmadad bin Abdullah Street, which will comprise of 3 lanes in each direction. The minister added that 2 roundabouts at the entrance of the emirate will be converted to underpasses in order to ease congestion. And police are urging residents to be more vigilant when it comes to their possessions when they leave the country, as on average, almost a third of house and car burglaries take place over the holiday periods. Officials at Dubai Police have revealed that the number of house burglaries rose by 21% this year, with a total of 98 reported over the summer months of June, July and August. Car thefts fell by 18% this year, with 41 reported stolen, compared to 59 the previous year for the summer period. Officials say that many suspects are either young, bored men during the summer or workers in residential areas who are tempted by luxury upmarket houses. The police warned that jewellery and artefacts were the most common targets for thieves, but that now electronic goods such as smartphones and laptops are rising in number. And the Abu Dhabi Ports Company has won an Environmental Protection Award at the International Bulk Journal Awards in Belgium in recognition of its commitment to protecting the environment. The ADPC was commended in its investments for the construction of a $240 million environmental breakwater that surrounds its flagship Khalifa port to protect the Ras Ghanada coral reef. The reef is the largest and most diverse coral community in the Arabian Gulf. Rising 4 metres above the water, the environmental breakwater cuts down sea swell, contamination and unnecessary temperature change from any projected port use. The award was presented to Captain Mohammed Al-Shamisi, the Vice President of Ports at ADPC. And up next, we have the day's business news, so stay with us.